DIY liquid chrome. You're going to need an empty bottle, a trusted dehydrator, and chrome pigment of your choice. Pour some of that dehydrator into the empty bottle and add some chrome. You want to be adding quite a bit of chrome so the liquid is rich in pigment. Give the bottle a shake and set it aside for later. To save myself some time, I'm going to be using the Unbelievable gels by Glitterbels, as they are no wipe and they're great when it comes to working with chromes. Make sure to let the product self-level before you pop it into the lamp. Once cured, apply some of that mixture onto our nail. Let the product evaporate before rubbing it onto the nail. And this is it, you guys. No spillage, no mess, just high shine. Make sure to store the liquid in a dry and cool place away from the sun so you can reuse it later.